for today's Birds of Prey digital code winner, it is
Bad guy, just outside.
What's good, YouTube? It is your boy and Kemby, one half of the Storyline Siblings. And guys, this is the day you've been waiting for, and I already know it because it is the Birds of Prey digital code winner announcement right now. So here's how this is about to go. I have all of the names of everyone who participated in the raffle in a box. Actually, I'll show you right now. It's in the box right here. This is I don't know if you can see that one. These are all names. I folded them so it's fair and I don't see them. And yeah. So, okay, boom. Right? But after the name is picked, please, winner only, please follow through with my message I will send you about all of the information you need to know. Also, guys, if you are not a winner today, you will be another day because we are hosting another giveaway and I will have more information on that in the future. But yeah, guys, so like, comment, share, and subscribe. And without any further ado, it's time to see who will win the Birds of Prey digital code. Okay. So I'm about to shake this around. Oh my goodness. Okay, false alarm, guys. I shook it too hard. All right, here we go. This time, I'm not looking. Okay? I'm not looking. Obviously, I'm not looking. All right. Oh, someone's in for okay, this is the last time I'm about to shake this. Last time, I'm not even looking. It's time to pick. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay. It is. It's upside down, I can't read it. At Frankie_2000. Congratulations, you have won the Birds of Prey digital code. Now, guys, like I said, even if you ain't win today, you have a chance to win another item next time. And this item that is up next, guys, I suggest you keep up to date with all of our posts because you will not want to miss it. All right, guys, that's about it. Congratulations to Frankie. And if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and ring the bell. And if you're not new to the channel, thank you for being a member of the Storyline Sibling family. And lastly, run your views up. Run your views up.